Okay, so for this project, you are going to find your own examples of slope. So you will find 4 real examples of slope and take your own personal picture of those 4 examples. You'll upload your photos into Google Slides, and you'll create just a short presentation of your photos. Each photo should have its own slide. Each one should explain how you found that it was slope, and it should be stated whether it's positive, negative, 0, or undefined. And then you'll send me your final product in my email. And again, it's just 4 examples of slope, taking your own personal picture. Describe each one of these things on its slide. You don't have to find one of each. You don't have to find one positive, negative, 0, undefined. They can all be negative, they can all be undefined. It does not matter. I just want them to be your own personal picture and explain to me why they're an example of slope. So I got 2 examples for you. So my personal photo that I took is when I was on the beach last summer. It was looking at the horizon, watching the sunset. So obviously the horizon is the example of a horizontal slope. Why? Because it's a horizontal line. The slope is 0 because I know that when it's a horizontal line, it'll cross the y-axis at a rate of change that is always 0. So there's one example. Another example I did is stairs. This is a picture also when I was on vacation. Stairs is an example of slope because you want it to have a constant rate of change. In order to walk up and down them easily, you want them to be increasing or decreasing by the same amount. Now, in this case of stairs, it can be an example of both a positive and a negative. When it's increasing, it'd be positive, and when it's decreasing, it'd be an example of a negative. So you can't have a picture that can have both, but you still need to have 4 individual pictures. And then once you're done with your slideshow, you'll send them to me in my email. So please feel free to let me know if you have any questions.